Head down and I see what I believe to be a phone. I haven't caught a clear glimpse yet. WJ68YKF. Definitely been using WhatsApp very clearly. Oh dear. Oh dear. 6 points. Okay. That guy's not using the phone. Good for him.